Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're able to join me today. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a basic monthly budget for beginners. So if you've never created a budget before, I will show you how to start creating a budget. I received a lot of questions about budgeting after posting my previous video, and that's why I decided to create this video. And today's quote is never regret a day in your life. Good days give you happiness and bad days give you experience. So if every day you're frustrated because you have so much debt and you feel like you're not heading anywhere, well, if you start creating your budget, you are already heading somewhere. And sometimes you might feel like your debt is not getting paid as fast as you want it to. Don't worry, as long as you keep paying down your debt, eventually you'll finish your debt. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I'll start by listing out the income. In this particular example, the person will be getting paid bi-weekly, and every week the first check is $1,000 and the second check is $1,000. And also they do have a side hustle whereby they're working extra hours sometimes and they bring in about $500. So their monthly income will be about 2,500. Then after that, I'm going to list out the expenses and then projected versus the actual amount. So projected, as I said before, is how much you project to spend every month. And then the actual amount is what you'll spend that specific month. And that will come later once you record all your expenses for the month. So in terms of expenses, we'll start off by mortgage or rent and the mortgage. So I'll list out the expenses, then I'll come back and list out the projected amount for each. Groceries, electric or gas, utilities, which is water, sewer, and trash. Childcare, car insurance, health insurance, cell phone, internet, and gas for the car. I'll list car maintenance under expenses, but this can also be a sinking fund. It just depends on how often you do an oil change and how often you might need your car fixed. For the purpose of this video, I would like to keep everything on the screen. I don't want to keep scrolling up and down, but if you're creating this on your own computer, you can go ahead and just keep going down. And next, we're going to list the debt. So this person has car loan and student loans. Next, we're going to list other funds. So if you're trying to save for emergency fund or you're trying to save for a sinking fund, this is where you list it out. This particular person is saving for sinking funds and emergency fund. I will also add miscellaneous to this. So that will go under expenses. Here are the projected average for every month. So mortgage is 800, groceries 250, and then electric or gas 100, water, sewer and trash is 50, childcare is about 400, car insurance is $80, and then health insurance is $80, cell phones $45, internet $50, car gas $100, car maintenance is $100, miscellaneous will be about $45. So the total for this one will be about $2,100. and then I'll subtract from the income, which is about 2,500, and the balance will be about $400. So whatever I have for the balance, that's what I will use to pay my minimum, car loan, and student loan. For this month, we'll allocate $30 for sinking fund and $50 for emergency. For the car loan, it's about $200, and for the student loan is about $100. Went ahead and fixed the amount, so it's about $200 for the car loan. And also I added gifts, which is about $20, and the balance, the total was 380. And because I'm working with every dollar has a task, I had $20 left, and I decided to actually, yes, I had $20 left over, so I decided to add an amount for the gifts. But you don't have to do this. You can take whatever money that you have left after you pay off your bill and put all that amount of money into your debt. The minimum payment for this particular example, the car loan, is about $200, and it's because it's actually a used car. The reason why the person has a car loan payment is because they did not have cash at the time they were purchasing the car, and they got it on a loan, and that's why they have to pay monthly payment of about $200. So if you're planning on getting a car and you're able to, just save and go buy with cash instead of having a monthly payment. The great thing about this example is this particular example, the person has started taking control of their finances. They have started doing budgeting. And when you budget, you start seeing where your money is going. And once you start seeing where your money is going, you start winning with your money. So now they'll know, okay, this is how much they have left over and how they can start targeting their debt. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.